Hi guys, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn about Python indentation, one of the most important roles in Python. I show you what happens when your code has correct indentation. I show you what happens when your code has correct indentation and what error you'll get when it doesn't. Let's go. So this program has a correct indentation example. F10 greater than 5, print 10 is greater than 5, and this line is inside the if block, and the other one is this line is outside the if block. So we run this program. And the output is 10 is greater than 5. This line is inside the if block, and this line is outside the if block. So in Python, indentation means the spaces at the beginning of a line. It tells Python which code belongs inside a block, like inside an if, for, or while. Without indentation, Python doesn't know what code to run inside the block. That's why it shows an error. So let's proceed to the other example that has an incorrect indentation. And this is the example of incorrect indentation. So if 10 greater than 5, print 10. This code will cause an indentation error because Python expects the print line to be indented. So indentation tells Python which lines are part of a block of code. If you forget it, Python gets confused and gives an error. So let's run this program, and the output is an error. So the error is indentation error. So let's compare the two codes. So this is the correct indentation and the incorrect indentation example, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope you learn about indentation in Python.